Hi, this is Doug Perry of Strategic Real Estate Trainers, your one-stop shop for all things related to Top Producer. We offer training, consulting, virtual support, and big savings on Top Producer and other software for realtors and property managers. This is video number 5 in the Getting Started series, and today's video is on creating a flyer. Now, when you get a new listing, you've got to get the word out, and flyers are one way to do that. Now, don't allow flyers to become art projects, sucking up precious time that could be better spent in front of consumers. Instead, use Top Producer to create print and electronic flyers in seconds and to customize them easily. So, before we get into our demo, I need to say that currently the text editor is not compatible with Chrome, but you can use it with Internet Explorer, and the text editor is required in order to create flyers as well as CMAs. So let's get started. First thing you do is you hover over the marketing button and select Create Flyer. Then you'll come over here to the right to the flyer library and select a category. We're going to go with the Contemporary Dream Home Agent. And we'll scroll down and select the Just Listed template. So then you drag your template over and drop it. Click Next. Then you'll have to select a seller. So we'll drag and drop a seller and click Create Flyer. Now, if Top Producer gives you exactly what you're looking for, great, you're done. Keep rolling. Print it out, distribute it, do what you need to do. However, if you want to edit it, you'll need to click the Edit Page button. And the first thing that I'd like to do is add the description. So we're going to paste in some language, and then we're going to move the text box a little bit. You just hover over the border of the text box until the crosshairs is displayed. And then we're going to resize it just to get all that text in there. And that's that. Now, we can add additional text box by selecting this button right here. Let's go ahead and type in some text. How about parking included? Now, of course, you can change the font or the size of the text. Let's bump this up. Let's say like 16 points. We're going to center this, and then we're going to resize the text box. And while we're at it, why don't we go ahead and change the background color. And why don't we reposition this text box? Let's lay it across the top of the picture like here. And now we can add another picture. So you click that button, you find a picture that you want, and you plug it in. Let's resize this so that we can get a better feel for where we want to put our pictures. So I'm going to go ahead and resize this picture. And then I want to reposition it like so. All right, and then if you take a look at it and you're happy with what you've got, then you'll want to go ahead and save the page. It'll take a few seconds. All right, now at this point, you can go ahead and email the flyer and the email will just contain a link to the flyer, or you can print it, or you can publish it as a link. So you can display this, on your website, in an email signature, in social media, etc. So let's click Publish as URL link. And you see we've got a URL here. Well, let's click Save Marketing Link. Click Done. So when someone clicks that link, here's what they'll see. So you get your nice color flyer with your information on it. So in conclusion, when you get a new listing, you've got to get the word out, and flyers are one way to do that. As I said, don't allow flyers to become art projects, sucking up precious time. Instead, use Top Producer to create print and electronic flyers in seconds and to customize them easily. Thanks for spending your time with me today. If you'd like to view more videos, participate in a webinar, or save big on Top Producer and other software for realtors and property managers, go to strategicrealestatetrainers.com.